Hello everyone. This is the final project of the Shen, Olga and Dzheenbekova Maral in the class of digital literacy, and now we're gonna teach you the basic strategies in photographs so you can read the images. So right now you can see our content. This is the objective, basic vocabulary, composition and visual elements. And now let's talk about the main objectives of our presentation. So the objective number one is to develop visual literacy. Next objective is to learn the basic vocabulary used in formal analysis in the visual arts. And the last one is to combine content information with formal analysis to read photographs. Of course you know what you like, but would you like to know more how a photograph is composed? Using visual elements, the artist tries to communicate with you. You may appreciate better why you like or don't like a particular work of art. The following words are the basic vocabulary used in the describing photography. Abstract. This is an image that emphasizes formal elements like line or shape or any other things, and rather than specific recognizable objects. Geometric shapes. Simple rectilinear or curvilinear shapes found in geometry such as circles, squares or triangles. Landscape. An image that portrays the natural environment. Natural shapes. Shapes based on natural objects such as trees, mountains or leaves. The words here will allow you to think about how visual elements combine within a photograph to create a composition. Angle. Generally used when discussing a photograph taken from an unusual or exaggerated vantage point. Background. The part of a scene or picture that is or seems to be toward the back. Central focus. The objects which appears most prominently or most clearly focused in a photograph. Composition. The arrangement or structure of the formal elements that make up an image. Contour. The outline of an object or shape. Contrast. Strong visual differences between light and dark, varying textures, sizes. Framing. What the photographer has placed within the boundaries of the photograph. Practice the use of these words by using the following criteria. Focus. Areas that appear clearest or sharpest in the photograph. Light. Areas of the photograph are most highlighted. There might be some shadows. The light is natural or artificial. Line. There are objects in the photograph that act as lines. They are straight, curvy, thin or thick. Lines create direction in the photograph and they might outline. Repetition. There are objects, shapes or lines which repeat and create a pattern. Space. Depth to the photograph create disappearance. There are important negative spaces in addition to positive spaces. Depths created by spatial illusions. Texture. You could touch the surface of the photograph. How would it feel? The objects in the picture look like they would feel. Value. A range of tones from dark to light. Thank you a lot for your attention. We hope this video will be useful for you. And by the way, Angelina, thank you so much for your classes. It was very cognitive and interesting for us, and we wish you the future academic success. And by the way, we wish you safe flight.